70 shows you the wires, the deep scan, and your studs. Super easy to use. Come along and let's teach you how. Watch closely when I push it for the first time. You're gonna see something right here that talks about where the wire would be, okay? So see, so if there was a wire in your stud scanning, that would pop up and tell you beware there's a wire. So the stud scan, just find your studs so you can know where to hang. Pretty simple. But the deep scan, which you see right here, it's just available, so if you ever have to go deeper, you know there's a lot of sheetrock or deep layers, it will find the studs for you. Really the easiest tool in your toolbox besides a hammer, my friends. Again, every 16 inches or so, you should have a stud, and it's telling me it's coming, and there is the center again, so another mark. One of the tips that my hubby and I have figured out is if you're doing a large wall, you want to find the stud near the bottom and move up quite a few feet and still do the top, and make sure that you connect those lines, because sometimes, not often, but a stud can be a little off. And so when you mark the top and the bottom and create a line with your chalk line, it kind of helps you be even of where you're at. So now we're going to go and take this entire wall that we're building our board and batten wall today and figure out where all of our studs are, because that's where we're going to be implanting all of the boards before we start painting. You want your boards to be in the studs because they can pull out if they're not secure with your nail gun and your nail. Another tip that helps me is now we've made the 2 marks. There's my top mark for my stud, and down here is my bottom mark for the stud. You can see they are a little off. So I grab my laser level. Here's my level, and I can see my X is up here, and my X is right there. So then now he can draw a line. You could get out your, he's just doing little marks, but you could get out your chalk line as well. But that'll create your line, so you're gonna know right where to put your board. See how quickly this has gone. This project took us just an afternoon, and then we'll paint. The stud finder makes it that much easier to make sure you're in your studs, your boards are strong, they're not going to pull out. Something else too, that this board and batten wall is super inexpensive. MDF board from Home Depot. Every board is $2.98 a board. So 13, 14. So 14 boards times $3. What is that?
42.
42? That's why I use him. 42 bucks. Needed paint, you would add that into it as well, but 42 bucks for a brand new wall. Wait till you see it's painted. You're gonna love it.